Hi students, good morning all of you. Today I am going to teach you your third lesson in your grade 6, that is mathematical operations on whole numbers. In your earlier grades you have already familiar with this addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. Those are the mathematical operations. Uh, Then today we are going to learn about those mathematical operations in more mathematical manner and more systematically. We need to learn how what is happened inside these operations. In the first table, I have written down in the board. You can see in the first column there are the operations. I have written those are addition, and subtraction, multiplication, and division. And the symbols you are more familiar in your earlier games. Those are the symbols we are using to represent the what we are going to do mathematically in your calculations. I have written down the examples also. That is, if I tell you at 6 and 3, then what you have done, you have collect 6 and 3 together and you have got the answer is 9. In the subtraction, if I say subtract 3 by 6, then you have to take it out another, take it out 3 number from the 6 and you get the answer is 3. Then if I ask you to multiply 6 by 3, that is you have collected 6 items, then like that there are 3 sets. Then you have multiplied these 6 and 3 and you got the answer 18. And if I say divide some 6 numbers, 6 to 3, then you get an answer is 2. Then I will discuss these area mathematical operations in next. First, you better to write down this table first, then we can start to learn about the addition of whole numbers. Before put the topic, the addition of whole number, you have to write down our main topic is mathematical operation on whole numbers. That is your third lesson, and this table as a summary you have to write it down. Okay, now write down this table. Okay, then we'll start our next part in our lesson. That is, you can write it down. The subtopic is addition whole numbers. You write down heading, that is adding whole numbers. We'll see what is happening in the adding, in the addition, what is happening inside. Before that, I have to mention you this is we are going to add the whole numbers but not the decimal number. You may know about the decimal number, but we are discussing more about the decimal number in next lessons. There will be other lessons in future lessons. In this level, we are going to discuss about this operation on the whole numbers only. Then, what are the whole numbers? Or we normally call about that is counting number. What are the counting numbers? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, you have counting numbers. Is it zero is the whole number counting number? Yes, we consider zero as the zero also as a counting number. Then we can say counting numbers or whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Then we have to consider how to add this whole number. Then, as an example, first I will try to add number 14 to number 13. I will teach you the two methods to adding these. First method, we are going to study, that is using the counting frame. Using counting frame, you have already learned how to add these things, but we'll look at again of that. Can you tell me the idea about the addition? If I say you have 2 apples with you and your brother have 3 apples, then you have 2 apples and your brother have 3 apples. Then if I ask what is the total number of apples both of you have, what to give that answer, what you are going to do? You should add 2 to 3. Then you get the answer is 5 because in your hand there is the 2 apples. In your hand there was 2 apples. In your brother had 3 apples. Then altogether how much will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then all together there was 5 apples. That is the meaning of addition. If you have 2 numbers, you can connect these 2 numbers and you can get the sum of these 2 numbers. That is the idea of this. Okay. Then I will take you to the method to how to add these things. Then using counting frame, you can do it easily. I have writing down here 14. You know how to indicate the number in the counting frame. In the tens place, you have to put the one balls, and in the ones place, you have to put four balls. And to represent the 13, you have to put one balls in the tens place and three balls in the ones place. That is how you have to represent these 14 and 13 in the counting frames. Then using counting frame, you can correct this two counting frame to one counting frame. I will first again write down this first counting frame in here again. That is one in the tens place and another four in the ones place. Then you need to add this one to this place and this three to this one's place. Then we will put those numbers, those balls in this counting frame. I will use the red color to represent these balls, because I get this ball and put here. Okay, therefore this one ball is going to be here. Okay. Then these three balls I am going to put this one's place. I will put the again in red. Then 1, 2, and 3. Then you can count these tens. How many tens are there now? Now there are 2 tens. Then you can say it is 2. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then there are 7 ones here. Then you got the answer 13 plus 14 plus 13 is equal to 27. That is 14 plus 13 is equal to 27. Or 13 add to 14 is answer is 27. This is how you are adding whole numbers with counting frame. Okay. Now you can write it down in this subtopic and how to add these numbers by counting frame. You can draw the counting frame and complete the notes. Okay, then maybe most of you learn up to grade 5 in Sinhala medium, and you are in your life this is the first time you are learning English medium. Maybe some maybe in the beginning also in the English medium. But students who are comfortable in English medium first, you have to think about those students need to think about the medium. Then you have to more concentrate about the language. Therefore, in first 2-3 months, I will explain in Sinhala me also to get you to understand. Okay. Then today we discuss about this mathematical operations on whole numbers. Then our අපේ අද පාඩමෝනේ grade 6 ළමයින්ගේ තුන්වෙනි පාඩම ඒ තමයි mathematical operations and operations on whole numbers. Then එතනදී අපි සාකච්ඡා කරනවා addition කියන්නේ එකතු කිරීම, subtraction කියන්නේ අඩු කිරීම, multiplication කියන්නේ වැඩි කිරීම, division කියන්නේ එතකොට එතනදී අපි පාවිච්චි කරපු සංකේත තමයි addition අනුගත අපි එකතු කිරීමේ ලකුණ පාවිච්චි කරා. subtraction කියන්නේ අඩු කිරීම අපි පාවිච්චි කරන මේ සංකේතයේ විලකුණ ඊට පස්සේ multiplication වලට අපි පාවිච්චි කරා cross sign එක සහ division වලට අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා බෙදීමේ sign එක. මේ sign එක මේවා තමයි operation එක. මේක තමයි සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. මේ sign එක වහම මේ sign එක වහම මේක තමයි සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. මේක තමයි අපි පැහැදිලි කරන්නේ. එතකොට හරියට තුන එකතු කිරීම කරනත් එහෙම නම්යක් කියනවා උතර එහෙනම් කලින් තුන අඩු කිරීම කරනත් එහෙම තුනයි උත්තර දෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේම 6 තුනෙන් වැඩි කරොත් එහෙම 18යි ලබන උත්තරේ 6 තුනෙන් බෙදුවොත් එහෙම 2 වෙනවා උත්තරේ. එතකොට මේ ඉලක්කයන් එක වුණා තොරතුරු පිටව මෙතන පාවිච්චි කරන ඔපරේටර් විතර සිම්බල් එක අනුව වෙනස් වෙනවා උත්තරේ. එතකොට ඊට පස්සේ අපි කතා කරමු මේ addition of whole numbers. එතකොට addition of whole numbers කියන adding of whole number කියන addition of whole number. whole number කියන්නේ අපි ගණන් කරන පාවිච්චි කරන අංක කියන්නේ 1 2 3 4 5 කියලා උන් ඉගෙනගමු ගණන් කරනවා. අන්න ඒක තමයි අපි whole numbers කියන්නේ. විශේෂතාවයක් මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. අපි තාම බිඳුව එක කරන්නේ ඒ වලට whole numbers වලට බිඳුව එකතු වෙනවා. ඒක counting numbers එකට අපි බිඳුව සලහන් කරනවා. එතකොට ඒක අමතක කරගන්නවට whole number එකක් කියවුවාම whole number එක කියන්නේ බිඳුව ඇතුළු බිඳුව 1 2 3 4 5. ඔය විදිහට ගණන් කරන අංක තමයි අපි whole numbers කියලා කියන්නේ. එතකොට මේ addition එකතු කිරීම කියන දේ කරනකොට මම ඔයාලට පළවෙනි කොටස තමයි කියලා දුන්නේ counting frame කියලා කියන්නේ අපි සිංහල ගණක රාම. එතකොට ගණක රාම පාවිච්චි කරලා අපි ඒක කිරීම කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ කොම්පියුටර් එකේ පාවිච්චි කරලා උගන්වනවා. තියෙනවා. එතකොට මම මෙතන 14 එකතු කරන් දෙනවා. තුනට 14 මම මේ counting frame එක කියනවා 13 මේ counting frame එක ඇඳලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඔය දෙක එකතු කරනකොට මම කරේ මේ counting frame එක විතර ඇඳලා අපිට ෆයිල් counting frame එක නැහැ අපි ෆොටෝ එක කරන්නේ. එතකොට අපිට මේ පළවෙනි counting frame එක දෙන්න ඇඳලා මේ counting frame එකේ ඉදිරියට මේකෝල මේ දැනවලට දෙන්න දාන්න එක තමයි. එතකොට එහෙම දාපුවම අපි දාපුවම හදාගන්න දෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මේ දෙකකට ගොඩ දෙකම තියෙන දෙක ගොඩ ගන්නකට පවර වෙනවා 10 සංඛ්‍යා කීයද කියලා මෙතන තියෙන ගොඩ සංඛ්‍යාව ගන්න කියනවා එක ස්ථානයේ සංඛ්‍යා කීයද කියලා. එතකොට අපිට මෙතන තියෙන 1යි මෙතන තියෙන 7යි අන්න එන්නම් අපිට ආව 27යි කියලා උත්තරේ 14 එකතු වීම 13 කියන්නේ 27යි කියලා උත්තරය අපිට ආවා. හරි. දැන් මම හිතනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියාගෙන ඉවරයි කියලා මේක දක්වා පාඩම් ගියපුවා තියෙනවද? Is anybody having any question up to now? Okay. Then I will teach you another method that can be used to add whole numbers. That is, you know the value of place. If I ask you to add these two numbers again, we did the 14 and 13, 13 and 13 to add together. Then you have to get the answer. You can see, write it down these in this manner. The tens place and ones place. Then what are the values in the 10th place? In the 14, number 14. Then what are the numbers in the 10th place? It's 1. In 1's place is 4. And to the 13, that is 10th place also 1 and 1's place 3. Then you can take the sum, that is total, that's sum is the meaning of total. You can say total also. Total. You can say total. That is 4 and 3 is 7 and 1 and 1 is 2. Then you can get directly the answer, that is 27. You can say this is 27. Okay, write down this method also. At the end of this lesson, I will give a bonus, that is good technique. That is a good technique that you can use for adding and subtraction more easily and more quickly. I will teach you. Do you want to think about the addition table? Do you know about the additional table? I don't think so. You may know about the multiplication table, but you are in the first time you have heard about the addition table. I will teach you the addition table, and using that addition table, you can quickly do your addition and subtraction quickly and more easily. In the end of the lesson, I will teach you. Okay, write it down this. Okay, I will do some example with you to understand this system of addition. If I ask you to add at 2567 to 3650, we say 55. Yes. Then what is the answer? You need to get the answer. Okay. For that, as before, we are today onward, you don't need to write it down, draw the counting. You don't need to draw. You need to, you can write it like in second method. That is, you have to write it down those things in the places. Then you can say this is place of the 1000, and this is the place of 100. Hundreds, thousands, and this is the place of tens, and this is the place of ones. That way you can write it down this number like this: 2, 5, 6, 7, and also you can write down this number also in the 1000 place, that is 3, in the 100 place, that is 6, and in the tens place, that is 5, and the ones place also 5. Then you have to add these two numbers. How you can add these two numbers? Then you have to first add 7 to 5, that is 12. You can, then it is 12, but you can't put the 12, only you can put the one number in the one place. Therefore, you can't put this one, you have to clean this one, and you have to mark this one small in the top of the tens place, because 12 is the one where there is a 10 and 2. Therefore, you have to put one in the tens place. Okay. Then you have to add 6 and 5 and this one. Then 6 and 5 is 11, 11 and this one is 12. Again, we got the 12 answer. but you can't put this one in this place. You have to put this one in the 100 place. Then again 5 and 6 is 11, 11 and 2 is 12. And you can't put this one here, you have to put this one in the top of the number. Then you have to write the 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Then you got the answer 6,222. And finally, you can name these numbers. Okay, this is how you can get the answer of these things. Then you can write the answer is 6,222. That is the answer you got. Understand? Okay, write it down. I will explain in single also. අපි දැන් මේ වෙලාවේදී අපිට ප්‍රශ්නයක් හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා 2567 එකතු කරන්න 3655. එතකොට to add those things you have to write down like this. That is in the 1000 place, 100 place, and 10 place, and 1's place. Okay, දහස්ථානයේ සියස්ථානයේ දසස්ථානයේ එක ස්ථානයේ අපිට මේ අංක ටික ලියා ගන්න වෙනවා. ඒකවල 2560 ලියන්න වෙන්නේ අපිට මේ විදිහට 1000 place එකේ 100 place එකේ 5, 10 place එකේ 6, 1 place එකේ 7. The next number also we have to write it down like this. But අර ඊළඟ අංකයක් කියවන්නේ ඒකේ අංකයට ගානවා 3 6 5. එතකොට මේ දෙක පාඩම් අපේ එකතු කරපුවා 12 12 කට දෙක විතරයි දාන්න පුළුවන්. එක දාන්න වෙන්නේ දසස්ථානයේ ඒ නිසා ඔයාලා දසස්ථානයේ එක ලියා ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ 1 6 7 5 12 ආවිකාවට 12 දාන්න බෑ දෙක විතරයි දාන්න පුළුවන් එක ලියා ගන්න මේක. ඊට පස්සේ 1 5 6යි 6යි 12යි ඔයාලට මෙතන 12 දාන්න බෑ ඔයාලා මෙතන ලියා ගන්නවා ඊටු එක. 1යි 3යි 6යි එතකොට 5 මෙතන දාන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඔයාලට උත්තර එනවා 6222 කියලා උත්තර. ඊට පස්සේ අවසානයේදී ඔයාලට මේ ටික මකලා දාන්න සිද්ධ වෙනවා. ඔය විදිහට තමයි අපි ඔය වගේ ගානක් හදන්නේ. Okay. Using this example, you can do the exercise you have in the exercise number 3.1. You can solve these problems. In the number 25, you have 3 questions and another 3 or 4 questions in the page number 26. Then, as a homework, you can do these examples. Okay. Do you need another example to do first? Before you complete, before you try to do the exercise, okay, I will do another example. Yes. 2578, 2785. How can you add these things? you have to add these things. Then 8 and 5 is 13, you put the 3, 1 is here. And 1 and 7 is 8, 8 and 8 is 16, you put the 6, 1 is here. Then 1 and 5 is 6, 6 and 7 is 13, you can put the 3 here and 1 here. 1 and 2 is 3, 3 and 3 is 6. You get again the answer is 6,363. That is, you can say 2,578 plus 3,785 is equal 6,363. This is the answer you can get. Understand? Okay. Then I have to give you the words, that is, I told you I will take you the addition table. Before that, I wish to introduce our class. We are going to continue this class. Therefore, you can join with our class and learn more thing about the maths and learn more easy methods and more tips and more quick methods. I will teach you more quick and easy and more funny methods to calculate and to solve the question in maths. You don't need to worry about the maths. I will teach more about the maths, then you can get the full marks in your exams. Okay. Then මම සිංහල කීවර්ඩ් අපි මේ ක්ලාස් එක දිගටම කරගෙන යන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අපිත් එක්ක ජොයින් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ජොයින් වෙලා පහසුවෙන් ගණිතය අධ්‍යයනය කරන්න වටපිටාව හදාගන්න පුළුවන්. මම දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට බෝනස් මෙතඩ් එක කියලා දෙන්න යනවා. ඇඩිෂන් මික්සින් කරගන්න ඇඩිෂන් ටේබල් එක මම කියලා දෙනවා. එතකොට ඒ වගේ අපිට ගොඩාක් ලේසි පහසු ක්‍රම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මම කියලා දෙන්න සූදානම් කරලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ ක්ලාස් එක දිගටම බැඳෙන්න පුළුවන්. මම මේකට අපේ ආයතනයෙන් මේකට සම්බන්ධ වෙන හැටි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අවසානයේදී දැනුම් දෙන්න ආයතනයෙන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අවශ්‍ය තොරතුරු ලබා දෙන්න. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි බලමු මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පොරොන්දු දාන්නේ අර ඇඩිෂනල් ටේබල් එකක් ගැන කියලා දෙනවා කියලා බෝනස් එකක් හැටියට. එතකොට මේ මෙතඩ් එක අපි කොහොමද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ, මොකද්ද මේ ඇඩිෂනල් ටේබල් එක කියලා අපි දැන් බලමු. Right. මම අහන්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝගෙන් 1 plus 9. What's the value of 1 plus 9? Yes, that is 10. Then what is the value of 2 plus 8? Yes, that is also 10. Now, can you say me what value I have to add to get the answer 10? Anyone? Yes, 7. Then, what value I should add to 4 to get the answer 10? Yes, that is 6. And what value I should add to the 5 to get the answer 10? That is 5. And what value I should add to 6 to get the answer 10? That is 4. And what value I should add to 7 to get the answer 10? That is 3. And what value I should add to get the answer 10 to the 8? That is 2. And to 9, what value I should add to get the answer 10? That is 1. Actually, this is the addition table you have to remind. If you remind this addition table, you can quickly get the answer for any additions. Plus, you have to remind this table quickly. Can you just say, if I say any number, you have to say that what is the other part we should add to get the value asked. Okay? Okay. Then I am asking now the number quickly, then you have to give the answer quickly. Okay? I am asking to add you the number is 3. Then what the number you should add to get the answer to 10? Yes, 7, correct. Then I ask again the 6. Yes, 4. And again 8. 2. Yes, if you add the 8 to 2, then that is 10. Then again 4. Yes, 6. If you add the 4 and 6, then you get 10. If I ask 9, then you can say quickly it's 1. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Then this table you have to remind. Then I will teach you how to use this memory to add any number to any number quickly. Okay. Okay, write it down this table in your book. This is addition table, we say additional table. Additional table. This is the additional table. You can write down the topic is additional table and you can write down the table. And you have to remind. Okay, I will teach you how to use this memory to add two numbers very easily and quickly. I'll ask you to add 6 to 8. Okay, I'm asking you to add 6 to 8, and I will teach you some other volume. You should not add to 6 to 8. You should add 8 to 6. If you have given to add the 6 plus 8, then return to try to add the 8 plus 6. Then easily you can get the answer. This is the one more method. You have to add lowest number to highest number. No? Highest number to lowest number. That is the way you should try. Then you can easily get it. If you use this addition table or not, you have to do that way. If you give us 6 and 8, and you don't need to try to 6 and 8 to 6, but try to add 6 to 8. Then, how you can do it? I will write down in with some dots. You think there is 8 apples. I am always taking the example of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I am asking you to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If you need to add 8 to 6, now you know your units table, addition table. If you add 2 to 8, then it's getting 10. You have to remind this one. 8 to, if you have 8, then there are another 2 you have to add to become 10. Then you can add that 2 from this. You can connect person these 2 to this 8. Then what has happened to this portion? It is 10, isn't it? Yes. Then that after you add these 2 to the 8 and that portion was become the 10 and there was remaining another 4. Then you have to add 10 to 4. Now, can you easily add the 10 to 4? Because you need to just write it down. The 1 is here and 4 is here. Then you can easily get the answer is 14 because you know to 8 you have to add the 2 from that 6 to become 10. Then there are also remaining 4. Then you can say that it's 14. Understand? Okay. Using this method, you can easily do more calculations easily and quickly, but you have to remind this addition table. Okay. අපි එතකොට දැන් කතා කරලා addition table එක කියන්නේ ඒක ඇත්තටම addition table කියලා කියන්නේ අපි පොදුවේ පාවිච්චි කරන multiplication table එක අපි හැමෝම පාවිච්චි කරන එකක් නෙමෙයි ඒක මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට විශේෂයෙන්